Are you tired of dull knives and flimsy plastic boards? Today I'm revealing the top 5 best wood cutting boards on trusty, beautiful, and knife-friendly picks you'll love. Number 1. Disney Mickey Mouse Head Cheese Board with Knife Set. If you're a Disney lover or want to bring fun into your kitchen, this board is a must-have. The Mickey Mouse head-shaped design isn't just cute, it doubles as a fully functional cheese board. It includes a hidden drawer with stainless steel cheese tools, making it perfect for parties, family gatherings, or themed events. It's durable, conversation-worthy, and a fantastic gift option. Best for families, party hosts, and Disney fans who want style plus functionality. Number 1. Ironwood Gourmet Endgrain Acacia Wood Cutting Board. This board screams durability and craftsmanship. Made from high-quality acacia wood, its end-grain construction makes it gentle on your knives while resisting scratches. It's thick, heavy, and built to last for years of chopping, slicing, and serving. The natural grain patterns make it look beautiful as a centerpiece too. Best for serious home cooks and anyone who wants a professional-grade, long-lasting board. Number 3. Royal Craft Wood 3-Piece Bamboo Cutting Board Set. Why buy one board when you can get 3? This best-selling bamboo set includes small, medium, and large boards, all featuring deep juice grooves and handles. Bamboo is eco-friendly, lightweight, and naturally resistant to bacteria. With over 40,000 plus positive Amazon reviews, it's a proven customer favorite. Best for busy families, eco-friendly shoppers, and anyone who wants multiple boards for different tasks. Number 4. Hiware Organic Bamboo Cutting Board with Juice Groove. This large bamboo board is both stylish and practical. Certified organic and pre-oiled for durability, it comes with built-in juice grooves to prevent messy countertops. The sturdy side handles make it easy to carry, so it can double as a serving platter for meats or cheese spreads. A great balance of sustainability, size, and convenience. Best for everyday cooking, meal prep, and eco-conscious kitchens. Number 5. Muso Wood Walnut Handle Cutting Board. Made from premium North American walnut, this board is a blend of elegance and function. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to grip and store, while the dark walnut wood gives it a luxurious look. It's knife-friendly, durable, and perfect for those who value both performance and design. Best for stylish home chefs and anyone looking for a high-end, display-worthy board. Each of these boards has its unique strength, fun design, heavy-duty performance, eco-friendly bamboo, or premium walnut luxury. No matter your cooking style, there's a board here that fits your kitchen perfectly. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out these boards directly on Amazon using the links above and grab the one that best fits your lifestyle.